let's be real, motivation comes and goes. And if you're a busy woman juggling work, family, and life, it is totally normal not to feel 100% every single day. But here's the truth. The women who reach their goals, they don't rely on motivation. They build systems. Hey fam, welcome back. It's Elizabeth, your online fitness coach, helping women build strong, confident bodies without crazy diets or hours of cardio. If that's your vibe, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. So today I'm breaking down exactly how to stay consistent when motivation fades, even on the days that you don't want to show up. Because consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about staying in motion. So here's the thing. Motivation is temporary. It's like caffeine. It gives you a quick hit, but then it fades. What keeps you going long term is discipline and identity. You have to stop wanting to feel ready and start acting like the woman who already hit her goals. When you start identifying as that woman, the one who lives, the one who meal preps, takes care of herself, your habits start to shift naturally. 3 systems I use with my clients that actually work. Number 1, schedule your workouts like meetings. Put them in your calendar. Protect that time and treat it as a non-negotiable. We are busy, I understand that, but we still have to go to work. We still have to show up to meetings. Just like we do that for our work, make sure that you're also putting time for you, because you are very important as well. So treat it as so. Number 2, follow a program, not a mood. When you have structure, you don't waste energy deciding on what to do. You just show up and execute. And number 3, you want to stack small wins. Don't underestimate how those wins compound into massive results. If you feel stuck or burnt out, it's not a sign to quit. It's simply a sign to pivot. Try switching up your environment, joining a community, or even just changing up your playlist. Sometimes you need a little bit of a spark to remind you of why you started. So next time motivation fades, remember, you don't need to feel ready to take action. You just need to start. If this video helped you, drop a flex emoji in the comments and tell me your consistency goal for this week. And if you're ready to finally stay on track and get results, check out my one-on-one coaching link below. Help you create a plan that fits your life. See you on the next one. Bye.